Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix Instagram messages not showing on iPhone or on Android phone. So guys, if you're using any device and when you have opened your messenger on Instagram and facing the issue that messages are not showing, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your settings here. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iOS device. And now you have to go back and scroll it down, click on general, scroll it below, click on VPN and device management. So guys, you need to disconnect your VPN if connected, and you need to go back. And guys, after this you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your device. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And after this you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically, and now you have to go back. After this you have to open App Store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Instagram. And after this you have to open your Instagram here, and you need to update your app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and now you have to wait for some second. Scroll it down, click on Instagram, after this you have to click on offload your app, and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, at last you need to click on general. Maybe there is iOS problem, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after doing all these settings your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see all the messages. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.